not what I need. Help me change this life that I live. This is not the path that I need. This is not what I'm living for. Help me, Lord, show me more.
God is clear, not a liar. Anointing flare, no fear. Been lost for long. I needed you. Times confuses me, for I declare my love for you. Word, you are manifest. Ghetto life, ghetto love, no errors. I feel the wheels of the Lord, granting my sins, purifying my soul. The temple so dirty that His blood is not enough. God, give me a touch, that's all I see new. Crucified is my soul by the devil. Ghetto child seeking revelation. You make me fly above my rumbled world. Chase my dreams despite my roots. Roots of the cross, I reflect the change. I'm your son. I've been back, I'm back. Give me a light, my room may be brighter. Open my eyes, I may see your mercy. My past haunts me. I'm a gold son. I kneel before you. My ghetto prayer. Please, Lord, listen. I keep calm. I believe since time in you, my heart's desire. You give me strength to crawl out of darkness. Tattooed to the damn, chosen by you to stand firm. Still in my soul is word is you. My tongue tune manifest is you. Love, build by being a ghetto child, a son of God. I ain't changed, fake messiah. Still my soul, a promise of mine. It makes me blind to your word. Blind I may be, I need no third eye. Thirsty my soul may be, I need no sacrifice blood. You stand behind me, I feel so tall. Challenges become smaller. Last meal, I saw your miracle. Bless me, Father, I'm a ghetto child of God. Bless me, Father, I'm a ghetto child of God. Bless me, Father, I'm a ghetto child of God. Bless me.
Help me, Lord, it's not what I need. Forgive me, Lord. Help me change this life that I live. Help me, Lord. This is not the path that I need. Show me, Lord. This is not what I'm living for. Help me, Lord. Show me more.
I've been lied to, made desperate. Doors shut before my face. Opportunity flown out of my hands. Judas of this world saw me to be poor. Chose you for a reason. You never lied to me. Always shown me the way. Riches of the world show me golden doors. Doors of sadness, distress and pain. Eyes can tell a story of a lonely man. Man without God. Lord, give me strength to thank you for all I have. Get to war. Heaven on earth, subsidies by head. Chorus made, men caught in between. Can't make choices, all collapse in. He's the only light, hang on to you, my Lord. Rejoice and happiness follows. I live in no shadows, no shallow promises. Ghost money, hell-bent contrast. Fire in the belly, sign of a man. Township life, nights out, beer, sex, girls, money. I was on a lost path. Friends who give no damn praised me. Studying a was I could give a new chapter. 50 shades of grey, 30s, 40s, 50s. Life goes on, age creeps in, contemplating. I'ma count mine, life is too short without the Lord. My heart always yearns to the higher one. Lord gives a second chance to praise you, to make the world know you. You're the only living God. Jesus, I fall on my face, ashamed I never give a credit for dying for me on the cross. Nail peace through your hands to give a better life. But being a man, I chose the damn life. Where walls so small, controlled by devil. Like and tweets from parts of entourage from the devil. I survived from my choke death and curses caused you by my side. But I never said thank you enough for saving my life, saving my soul, give me life of righteousness. I have a job, I eat, I sleep, your name, cause I'm a ghetto child. I'm a ghetto child.
Help me, Lord, it's not what I need. Forgive me, Lord. Help me change this life that I live. Help me, Lord. This is not the path that I need. Show me, Lord. This is not what I'm living